everyone, please like and subscribe. Reading time. Third person pronouns. Now let's hear from Faith.
They, them, their, themselves. Yay!
They, them, their, themselves. They, them, their, themselves. Your turn. Again.
Wow!